So today I just got these mufflers from India. They came from Delhi, and those are the AEWs. So I want to put them on my bike. So there's actually two sets, one's for me and one's for my friend. So that's why the box seems big. Nicely packed. And inside the boxes here, it's nicely packed also. So there's foam here on the tips. And so overall it's nicely packed. So before I change the mufflers, I just want you to hear the stock sound. So once I change those mufflers, I'll have the other sound. Okay, both of the mufflers are off. I'm gonna start it just for the heck of it without the mufflers and see how loud that is. Here it goes. That was loud.
It still makes the noise.
So for the fitting of the muffler, you'll need two spanners, 10 millimeters and two 12 millimeters. So these nuts that go right on the muffler stay, I'm putting some Loctite on it because it didn't come with any washer, a spring washer or anything. So I'm gonna just put Loctite, and I'm gonna lock these up in here. Well, I'm gonna put these loosely, and then because it's kind of tight behind in there to try to put in the screw, this nut in here. So I'm gonna put them in these loosely. Once I tighten this bolt to the frame, then I'll go ahead and tighten these up. Another thing I noticed is that the stock bracket goes on the outside and this AEW bracket goes on the inside. At least that's what I'm thinking, because it doesn't go the other way around. It doesn't fit. So I hope I'm doing it right. If you're wondering, this is how it looks from the inside. I think this is a glass wool. All right, we got the mufflers on, and this is with the DB killer, which is, people who don't know, it is this baffle right here, and it's with it, and this thing can come out and it'll be a little bit louder. So I'm gonna start it with the DB killer. So as you can tell, it's quite opened up. It's not super loud. The DB killer is coming out. It has an Allen key. It comes with the mufflers, and then you open up the Allen key and here it comes out. Both of them are out.